Good morning, it's Donalyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60. It has been 8 days since we started our Scoby, our symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. Let's see how it's doing. It does smell very vinegary. That is a really good sign.
Okay, I'm going to lift up my kitchen towel. I'm not going to undo it. Okay, can you see this film on top? This is your Scoby starting to grow. And ours is, right now, it's like 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm going to bring you in a little closer so you can see it. So that's about 1/4 of an inch thick. It looks great. We're going to cover our Scoby and let it grow for another week. We'll check back in a week. Remember when we started our Scoby, we brought 8 cups of filtered water to a boil. We added 8 tea bags. We actually used black, but you can use green. We let them steep for 4 to 5 minutes. Then we removed the tea bag and added a cup of sugar. We let the sugar dissolve, and then we let our tea mixture cool to room temperature before we added 2 cups of unfiltered kombucha. I used kombucha from a last batch of kombucha I had made, but you can use store-bought kombucha as long as it's unfiltered and unpasteurized. We're going to come back in another week and look at our Scoby and see if it's ready to use to make some kombucha. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.